Before I met Ann, I was frustrated in my business. I was totally ready to up level and didn't know how to do it. So when I started working with Ann, we created the exact offers, systems, everything that I needed to go to the next level. And then I got to come to this amazing retreat. And this retreat has solidified everything. It has been luxurious. We have had time to mastermind. Ann brings her brilliance to us to just make sure that we have the best plan, the best marketing, the best offers, and we learned how to do a 3-day live event that I am so excited to bring to everybody, because I know that people need what I'm giving and have to offer, and she helped me package it beautifully to take out into the world. This has been in a luxury retreat. The place that we are staying is amazing. The food is amazing. Anne gives so much of her time and attention to each one of us, and we've made new friendships, new business partners, and it has just been a fantastic retreat.